Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to change the color of a 3D object using both process flow and triggers in FlexSim. To demonstrate, let's build a simple model. We'll use a source, a queue, a processor, and a sink. These objects need to be connected using A connections. To keep things simple, we'll leave all object properties at their default settings. Now, let's add color changes to the processor. Whenever a flow item enters the processor, its color should change to red. Once the process is complete and the item exits, the color should revert to green. To achieve this, we'll use a simple process flow. First, create a general process flow. Add an event-triggered source and set the event to onEntry to the processor. This ensures that a token is generated whenever a flow item enters the processor. To change the color, use the Change Visual activity. From the predefined functions pick list, select Set Object Color. Modify the object reference to processor and choose red from the list. Next, add a sink object. Similarly, to change the color back to green when the processor is empty, another event-triggered source is needed. This time, set the event to onExit from the processor. Again, use the Change Visual activity, modify the object reference, and select green as the color. Once everything is set up, run the model and observe the color changes as flow items move through the processor. To ensure the color resets to green when restarting the model, you can either use the same process flow approach or triggers within the 3D objects themselves. Let's use triggers here. Open the Processor's Triggers tab and add a reset trigger. Choose Set Object Color and modify the object reference. You can either select the object using the sampler tool or use the keyword current here. Set the color to green. Now, every time the model is reset, the processor will automatically return to its original green color. That's it. Try it out and see how it works. If you found this tutorial helpful, stay tuned for more.